Hello everybody, my name's Adam. Can you say, hi Adam? Hi Adam. Say, hi Adam, nice to see you. Hi Adam, nice to see you. Good. So we're going to learn some English now. Do you want to learn some English? Say, yes teacher, I want to learn some English. Good. So today's unit is a review unit. Review is very important if you want to learn English. So everybody say, review, review, review. Good. So let's review vocabulary. Review vocabulary. Table. Say, table. Vase. Oh, this is a vase. Vase, 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 vase. This is a vase. Telephone. Telephone. Hello. Goodbye. Put it here. Telephone. This is a lamp. A lamp. Lamp. The lamp goes on. The lamp goes off. This is a clock. An owl clock. Clock, clock, clock. So these are objects that are in rooms. So let's review our rooms. Living room. Ha 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 ha. Living room. Bedroom. Bedroom. Kitchen. Kitchen. And bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, put this up a bit. Lamp here. Kitchen. Bathroom. Good. Review vocabulary. Dun, 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 dun. Step number 1. Simple. I point. You say. I point with my very long pencil. And you say. Ready? Clock. So I point to this, you say. Clock. Table. What's this one? And how about kitchen? Did you say kitchen? I hope you did. That would be most admirable. What's that? I know, this is so easy, isn't it? Yes, it is easy, but it's good practice. So how about let's do something a little bit more difficult? I'll point to 3 and you say all 3 of them. So if I go, you say table, clock, living room. Table, clock, living room. Okay, ready? Here we go. 3. Telephone, bedroom, kitchen. Telephone, bedroom, kitchen. Very good. Next one. Lamp, living room, bathroom. Lamp, living room, bathroom. Last one. Ready? What was it? Telephone, vase, table. So how about that? Was that easy? I know we can do something a little bit more tricky. Yes, indeed. Okay, so I'll point to 3 things. For instance, table, vase, telephone. And I'll say number 2. So you have to tell me number 2. Table is number 1, vase is number 2, and telephone is number 3. So you have to say vase. Okay? So I will say 1 or 2 or 3. Ready? So what was number 3? What was number 3? Do you think it's clock? No. Do you think it's vase? Of course. I didn't even point to vase. How about bedroom? No, it's bathroom. Number 3 was bathroom, okay? Yeah. One more time. What's number 2? Living room is number 2. Living room is number 2. And one more time, the final one. Number 1. Vase. Okay. So, we have living room, bathroom, bedroom, lamp, kitchen, okay. So say, there is a clock in the living room. Everyone, together, there is a clock in the living room. Say, there is a table in the living room. There is a table in the living room. Say, there is a in the. There is a in the. There is a vase in the bathroom. Say, there is a telephone in the bathroom. So what's in the bedroom? What's in the bedroom? There is a in the bedroom. There is a lamp. There is a lamp. A lamp in the bedroom. Good. Okay. So everyone say telephone. Bathroom. There is a telephone in the bathroom. Goodbye. There is a clock in the bathroom. Hey, goodbye. There is a table in the kitchen. There is a vase in the living room. And finally, there is a lamp in the bedroom. Good job. So, now everybody, let's review the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, our letter, if you remember from previous class, is I. Say, I, 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 I. I, I. Sit, sit. I. Little I, big I. Sit, S-I-T, sit. And what's this one? Do you remember this? What's this one? It's a bib. A bib. Bib. What's this one? What's this one? It's a hill. And this one? Pin. So let's practice our writing. Let's practice our writing. So how do we write this one? Bib. Change it over here, like so. Okay, there we go. So bib. Little b. B, I, B. Bib. Dot down. Bib. Okay, so how about the next one? Uh-oh, there's no letters there. Sit. Sit. S. I. T. Sit. 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 So how do you write this one? Hill. Hill. The letters are bigger for hill. Small h. I. L. L. Hill. Hill. And finally, the last one, pin. Pin. Pull it down. Half circle, P. I. And finally, N. Pin. Pin. All right. Let's review spelling. So if I say bib, you say B-I-B. Okay? If I say bib, you say B-I-B. Ready? Bib. Sit. What do you say? S-I-T. S-I-T. Hill. Hill. You say H-I-L-L. Hill. Good. Let's move on to the next section. So bye-bye, sit. Bye-bye, pin. Bye-bye, pin again. Bye-bye, sit. Bye-bye, bibs. Bye-bye, eyes. Bye-bye, hill. And bye-bye, hill. Okay, next one. Say, uh-oh, what are these? What are these? Dun da da dum. Okay. Say ball. Ball, that is a ball. Table. What's that? You know this one. Meow, meow. Cat. And what's this one? Couch. And what's this? That's a kite. And this? TV. All right. So you should be able to understand this. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? The ball is on the... Is the ball on the TV? Is the ball on the couch? Is the ball on the table? Yes, the ball is on the table. So how about the cat? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Is the cat on the table? Is the cat on the couch? Yes, the cat is on the couch. And where is the kite? Teacher, the kite is on the TV. Yes, the kite is on the TV. Very good. All right. So, we play a game. I say, you say, I say, and then you say. But if I say mouse, you eat the cheese. Eat the cheese. Okay? So I'll say, where's the ball? And you say, where's the ball? And I'll say, the ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. You say, the ball is on the table. But if I say mouse, you, okay? Okay, ready? Where is the kite? Where is the kite? The kite is on the TV. Mouse. Oh. Mouse. Mouse. Eat your cheese. Eat your cheese. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Mouse. 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 Where is the cat? The cat is on the couch. The cat is on the chair. Good. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Mouse! Mouse! Eat your cheese! Eat your cheese! Go! Go! Eat your cheese! Good. Okay, everybody. One more time. Say, the ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. The ball is on the table. Say, the cat is on the chair. The cat is on the chair. And say, the kite is on the TV. The kite is on the TV. All right. What's this? Hill. Hill. And do you know what this is? It's a fan. A fan. Can you say fan? So where's the fan? Where's the fan? The fan is on the hill. Okay, everybody. It's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye, teacher. Bye-bye. See you again next time.